Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get fast delivery on Amazon without having Prime. So all you need to do is open Amazon, make sure you're logged into your account, and then go and type in the search bar 1-day delivery items, and then you can see the items, and then you can see the items and can see the delivery, approximately the delivery date and everything. Now all you need to do is choose your item and then press on it like you will normally do to buy the item, and then instead of doing add to cart, just press on buy now. This will help you buy it like right now so you don't forget it or anything, and then choose your payment method, deliver to this address, you input the address and double check and everything, and then that's it. You will normally get it in 1 day like we type it in the search bar, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.